Hello, freedom fighters. I was just joking a second ago. um, I was shuffling and this popped out. And it's funny because I was thinking of like get-togethers and how like I'm glad to go back to Muay Thai training on August 1st because this month like I had to use money for other stuff, but still, like, I had to take last month off, like July. I want to say last month, it's not August yet. But I had to take that time because I was really going through ascension symptoms. And the thing is, it's it's crazy because it's pretty short. The first ascension that I had, it lasted for like a few years. Yeah, like a few years. Yeah, yeah. And Saturn's it's like Saturn's retrograde now, if I'm not mistaken. Karma, celebrating yourselves. These karmics. I hear that song. It's like, I'm here without you, baby. What is that? 3 Doors Down? Someone in there. Get the fuck out, guys. You're getting your rewards. Karma is so legit in the air, guys. We're really going through this together. And this year's supposed to be like a new wave of like leaders. Yeah. Making that progress. Full moon's coming up tomorrow. It said final steps. Yeah, it was worth the fight. It was worth hanging on and keep persevering. Oh, shoot. Get the fuck out. Guys, this rebirth. Ace of Swords. I hear that song, I Can See Clearly Now. Is that I can see clearly now, the rain is gone. Yeah. I can, what's it? I can move all obstacles in my way. I don't know, but you know the song that I'm talking about. Guys. Oh, now my tarot deck's on its way because, like, it had a pre-order item in there. So, yeah, it's taking a little longer. Like, the bedsheets I ordered my son, it came today. But I can't wait. And the next tarot deck I want to get is, like, Korenji. It's Korean tarot with, like, chibi characters. They have ones without it, but I was like, yo, I have to for the ancestors. Like, I have Oracle deck, that's Korean. Get the fuck out. Karma. Their karma. Karmic's karma. Yeah. They're so mad. They're so mad. That spirit is a tarot card. They're so mad, guys. Big mad. Speak to me, speak to me. Oh God. I'm just gonna start saying that randomly to tarot cards. Speak to me, speak to me. Speak to me, speak to me. Oh, okay, you spoke. Yeah, you're getting your karma. Ten of coins, 10 of cups. Wishful thinking, all is wishful fulfillment. I've been hearing so many readers on YouTube talk about it. Like, we're all, like, it's all so connected. Yo. Oh, yeah. They're always doing shady shit. Definitely passive-aggressive stuff. For sure. For sure. Motherfucker. Guys. This is for them. Womp womp. Yo! Tarot does this every time. Every time. There's always cards flying out. This is on the bottom! Christ! 10 of Cups and the Star both upright. Oh. Karma. Even though I've been doing stuff like this for many years. Like, yeah, it's time for you to just have fun. Yeah. Yeah, release any negative thoughts. That's what's to come soon. The 9 of Cups. Oh my god, I'm so like, I wish my deck was here already. I can't wait to show you guys. Always wanted a deck with like that type of art. I like colorful tarot decks. I don't like the typical, you know, wider weight. It's like all old school design. Like, it's just not for me. Like, I mean, I get the same answers out of them, but, you know, it's just like, eh. Just looks like a bunch of racist white people. Yeah. Your cup will overflow, and you get to share more with other people. God, that's like so great, like for you to have more than enough. It's like, yo, I could like take people out to eat and not have them stress about like, oh, can I, you know, afford this, and like help people get cars and homes, you know, pay for their school like that. Oh my god, to have money like that you could use it like that. That's like, that would be such a beautiful feeling. You know, I've been noticing with certain tarot readers, well, the ones I usually stick to, of course, I'm not going to be like watching some stupid people. Like, if I feel some type of way about them, I'm not going to watch them. There's a thing that popped up in my head why I said that. But, yeah. So, I've been noticing like energetic changes with different tarot readers in a beautiful way. Guys. You know, so many times like all these things come up. It's like a test of faith. That's why integrity. This is why the amount of good karma that's coming in is because, you know, of course nobody's perfect. And we've all done some shady shit. You know, and et cetera, like it's being human, right? But I always say, like, any moment you can choose to be a better person, you know? And especially with everything that's going on in the world. It's like, when is it enough? How much violence has to happen for change to happen for the better? But definitely persevered. You worked so hard for all the good karma that's going to come in. Dark to light. Definitely going to be reminiscing to all the times where you're like, oh, one day I know I see me doing this. And it's crazy how I've seen it throughout my life. Certain things, like, for years, like, since I was real little, and for it to happen, like, it's happening right now. Like, it's really gonna start. The rest of this year is gonna be so crazy in very karmic ways. Oh, dude, I need to get some new like nail polish colors soon, because I don't really have any nail polish. I always like to get those ones that like dries quick as fuck. Ten of coins popping out again, guys. Prosperity, abundance. For some, definitely got admirers. You're definitely in your feminine energy right now, regardless of what you identify as yin. It's like yin and yang. And Queen of Wands. Getting all these suits and yeah. And it's connected to Leo. Glow up. Yeah, it's the end. This is it. Can't get any worse. Like, soon changes will happen. Major Arcana. Yeah, look. Queen of Wands just had that. But the Temperance here. Full moon's tomorrow. That came up earlier. I was like definitely doing a lot of releasing at this time. Yeah. Better connections are coming in. There are people that would love to spend time with you and just want to talk to you. You know, it's like you bring a calming energy, a healing energy. You're an activator. And yeah, that's nice. I feel that's the end. I just was gonna repeat everything. But yeah, thank you so much if you made it this far. And definitely subscribe, like the video, hype the video, share the video with like-minded people. I will very greatly appreciate that. And just to let you know, I am open for readings, 10 minutes for $20 and 20 minutes for $40. All the information will be in the description. Alright, bye guys.